Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel where I tuft rugs in my studio. We're going to take all of these colors and make a Handsome Squidward rug. Handsome Squidward is from that iconic episode of SpongeBob. We'll have to wait to the end to see the final result. I always recommend planning out your project by making sure you have enough colors and everything that you need. I'm going to start with dark red for the inside of his eyes, an aqua blue color for his main skin color, a lighter blue for that little shine on the top of that head, a light beige color for the rest of his eye color, a light rosy pink for those lips, a brown color for Squidward's shirt, a darker blue aqua color for his eyelids, good old black for the outline of his entire head and some of his facial features. Now the background for this rug is going to have kind of a color burst of yellow, gold, orange, bright pink, and purple. And they're all just going to be blended together in the background. Now that we've got everything planned out and the right amount of yarn on hand, let's get started on Handsome Squidward. I'm going to start with black to do the entire outline, his facial features, and his curly chest hair. Okay, it's definitely looking a little funky, but just follow your outlines and you'll be okay. Moving on to rosy pink for those luscious lips. We're going to use dark red for his pupils. This is super freaky, so we have to finish it. Alright, let's add a light beige or a very light yellow to those eyes. Hopefully it will help him look better. Or not. Next is our lightest blue aqua color to get his shine on. I'm real smart and I forgot to show this part. We still need a darker aqua color for his eyelids, so I'm going to use this dark one right here. Ding! There it is. Okay, let's move on. Now we're on to our main skin color, our main aqua blue-green color. So we're going to outline all of the outlines and then fill in the rest of the color. Okay, he's not as freaky as he used to be anymore, so I think we're on the right track. Next is brown for Squidward's shirts. Okay, we could stop here, but I want to put that color burst behind his head to show that an injured man can rise again. We're going to use a combination of bright yellow, gold, bright orange, bright pink, and a really nice purple. we're done with the color burst. We're all done tufting. So as silly as this rug is, it's actually really vibrant and colorful. So we're just gonna glue the back and come back the next day to finish it. Bye. Actually, just kidding. Somebody bought my side deck rug, so we're gonna package him up really quickly, and then we're going to go home and come back the next day. This rug was purchased as a gift for someone, so here's the gift message, and I hope that you enjoy your side up rug. Thank you. And now it's time to go. Bye, Squiddy. We're back. Good morning, Squiddy. I have some more yarn for my next project lined up, but let's finish Squidward first. To add a twill tape around the edges. It's about 1 inch thick. It just gives it a more finished look. And I am enjoying my favorite drink. Okay, thank you for watching until the end. This is the final results of our Squidward rug. If you'd like to purchase him, I don't think I'll be making more than one, but if you want to purchase this one, you can follow me on Instagram and look at my highlighted stories and you can see how to purchase him from there. But for now, I'm just going to hang him up with my other rugs on my rug rack. If you'd like to purchase any of my rugs, you can check me out on Etsy, The Tufted Buffalo, follow me on Instagram. I don't understand TikTok, so that's not happening, but I just cleaned up my space and I'm ready for the next project. Bye!